A for Afrikaans. Afrikaans is a language similar to Dutch, spoken in South Africa. B for Bulgarian. Bulgarian is written with letters that can be a bit different from the English letters. C for Chinese. That's how you write "This is my father" in Chinese. D for Danish. Danish is spoken in Denmark. The story The Little Mermaid was first written in Danish. E for Esperanto. Esperanto is a constructed language created over 100 years ago. It is easy to learn and would be a great language for international use.
Urso bruna, estas mi, bruna kaj malgranda, estas mi.
F for French.
Derrière chez moi, savez-vous ce qu'il y a? Derrière chez moi, savez-vous ce qu'il y a?
G for German. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. H for Hungarian. Piroche, cake, zöld. I is for Italian. Here are a few words in Italian. Come ti chiami? Grazie. Arrivederci. J for Japanese. One way of writing Japanese is by using the hiragana alphabet. Here is how you write A, I, U, E, O. K for Korean. This is how Korean writing looks like. L for Latin. Latin is a dead language which used to be spoken in ancient Rome. We can still find old books written in Latin. M for Maltese. Here is one page of Alice in Wonderland in Maltese. N for Norwegian. Norwegian is a Scandinavian language spoken in Norway. O for Occitan. Occitan is a language spoken mainly in the south of France. The Adventures of Tintin have been translated into Occitan. P for Portuguese. Portuguese is spoken not only in Portugal but in Brazil in South America. Q for Quechua. This is a family of languages spoken by the indigenous peoples of South America. It is an official language in both Peru and Bolivia. R for Russian.
Меня зовут Кирилл, я из России, я говорю по-русски, я учу эсперанто.
S for Spanish, and here you can read in Spanish, "My mother is tall and my father is short." T for Turkish. Here is the story The Little Prince, translated into Turkish. U for Urdu. Urdu is spoken mainly in Pakistan and India and is usually written with the Arabic alphabet. V for Vietnamese. Here is a page out of a Vietnamese textbook. W for Welsh. Here you can see how you write "I like the dog" in Welsh. X for Xhosa. It is Nelson Mandela's native language and is spoken by 18% of South Africans. Y for Yiddish. It's a language similar to German, spoken by Jewish communities. Z for Zulu. Zulu is one of South Africa's 11 official languages. There are many more languages We can't learn them all, but I think we should try to learn at least one foreign language.